Hello, everybody. This is Dee from Dee's Cute and Crafty, and I'm back with three more decor pieces for you today. I have been enjoying doing spring DIYs, and I've got some butterflies and some umbrellas, and maybe a book stack for you. These are super easy, especially the book stack, and fun to do. So let's just jump right in. I am going to be using some craft paper from the Crafter Studio. I just have these little pieces, but they're small because I've already cut my shapes out. I'm going to be using cardboard, and I will be using this Dollar Tree wood round, my chiffon Rust-Oleum cream paint, some of these zip ties that I've already used on a wreath decor piece, but I still can use the zip tie for something else. And I have some beads that I've already cut in half, and I've got my Jot glue stick and a pencil eraser. We're going to do some hand lettering. So I free-handed a butterfly, some large ones and some small ones, and I cut them out of that cardboard. I then took my craft paper, this beautiful spring paisley colored craft paper, and I trimmed out or traced out my butterflies, and then I cut those out. I'm just going to attach them with the glue stick, quick and easy. And this DIY is gorgeous, you guys. I love it. It is one of the prettiest door hangers that I've made all season to me. And it is hands down my favorite of the three pieces that I'm bringing you today. I hope you guys like it as much as I do. And so now that I've got my butterflies all put together, smoothing everything out, I am going to take these zip ties. Now, when I made a wreath, I used a zip tie to adhere the deco mesh to the wire wreath form. And I kept the piece that I cut off because it's too long once you zip it and pull it tight. You've got this extra piece hanging off. So I thought I'll keep these. I don't know what I'll use them for. And lo and behold, we're going to use them as a butterfly antenna. So, yeah, I love that I saved those because this is perfect for this DIY. So we're just going to cut some of those and use it. And then for the pieces that cut straight across square where they don't have the little point or tip, just cut each corner off and that'll give you the point or the tip that you need. You guys, I'd like to take this time to say thank you to all my brand new subscribers. You guys are amazing. Thank you for choosing D's Cute and Crafty and becoming part of the Cute and Crafty family. And to all my ride or dies, the ones that have been with me since the beginning of my journey, I love you. I appreciate you. And I'm blessed to have you here. So now that I've got my butterfly antenna on, I'm going to take these beads that I carefully cut in half using my wire cutters, and I'm going to make the little bee body or bee body. I'm so busy crafting bees. Yes, I'm still crafting those as well for the girls at work. But butterfly body is what we're working on today. And I'm going to use those half beads to do that. It's just cute. I can't think of a better word. It's adorable. I love it. It's got texture. It's got beautiful color. It looks like it just flies right off of the door hanger. It's just so pretty. So I'm just going to use some hot glue and attach my half beads. And here it is. And this is a cute DIY by itself. You could put a floral stem on the back and put it in a decorative piece that has like a lot of flowers in it. You could use it for something like that. It's really cute. So I have my wood round from Dollar Tree and I've painted it in my chiffon Rust-Oleum cream. And you guys, I didn't sand it. Imagine that. I sand everything to make it old and weathered and rustic. I did not sand this piece. I don't even know who I am right now. So I'm trying to arrange my butterflies, get them where I like them, because like I said, I want them to look like they're just flying off the side of this door hanger. How about that? Gorgeous. Now I'm going to take my ruler and give myself a straight line so I can write Welcome Spring. You guys know how much I love a good cardboard DIY. I use cardboard every single chance I get. My sweet sister, my sweet subscriber, you know who you are. She has dubbed me the queen of cardboard. I'll take that. I will definitely take that. Cardboard is the most inexpensive thing you could craft with, especially if you order things from Amazon, or you can just get boxes from your local grocery store or Dollar Tree and craft your heart out for pennies. And I love it. So I'm just writing welcome spring in my pink Sharpie, pink marker, and I picked those markers up. I think there's 36 in a box. They have a short, fat, stubby tip, angled tip, and they also have a long, skinny tip. So they're two-ended. I picked those up at Burlington Coat Factory actually for about $11.99. Now that I've got my butterflies on and my word written, and I'm going to write spring. I just stopped for a minute. I don't know why I got distracted and stopped writing, but I did. And we're going to make this beautiful bow. And I got my ribbon, the yellow ribbon that's stretchy. I really love this ribbon. I got that ribbon on clearance from Joann Fabrics. I think it was like $4, something like that. It wasn't that bad. And it is so cute. And the pink ribbon, either Hobby Lobby or Joann's. Just gonna make my loops. I'm going to stack them and tie them off with a piece of jute cord. I'm not going to make tails for this because I don't want to cover up my words. And you guys, you can find beautiful ribbon at Sam's Club. I hope you guys get there before it's gone. I missed it. They still have beautiful ribbon, but the ribbon I specifically was looking for at Sam's was the bumblebee ribbon, and it went so fast. They had two different kinds, and it's gone. And they did not get any more back in for this season. So if you guys have a Sam's Club card or you know someone who does, you can use their card. Go check it out and see if you can get that ribbon. So here's my cute little bow for the top of my door hanger, and she is done and ready to be displayed. Oh my goodness. I put a jute cord hanger on the back, and it is adorable. I know I keep saying that, but I really love this one. Again, hands down, my favorite. And as always, I need you to comment down below and let me know which one is your favorite of the three that I'll be bringing you today. I'm always so happy to hear from you in the comments, and I love to know what you think. Moving on to DIY number two, I'll be using my um, Hello Hobby black chalk paint. I will be using 5 pieces of the pool noodle and 5 of the Dollar Tree crates. I have this beautiful purple polka dot ribbon from Hobby Lobby. Again, more cardboard. I have some scrap wallpaper um, paper from Dollar Tree, and then I have some more of that beautiful craft paper that I pick up from Hobby Lobby from the Crafter Studio, and I have some small black beads that I picked up at Dollar Tree. So we are going to make 5 of these crates. I'm going to make one on camera because once you see the first one, the other 4 are the same. So I'm going in with my gray, I said black, didn't I? My gray slate chalk paint from Hello Hobby. And if I hadn't told you, I would like to tell you that the Waverly chalk paint is back at my Walmart. I don't know what happened, but I'm glad it's back. So I will be buying more of the Waverly paint. You'll be seeing that. But I'm going to use up all that I have of the Hello Hobby first. So I got my crates painted and I've set them aside. I've got my 5 pieces of pool noodle cut and I've set them aside. And I am freehanding just an umbrella for you guys on some cardboard and the handle to the umbrella. And you guys have seen me make the umbrella before. I did it really big. Now I'm going to do some little ones and we're going to spell out the word bloom using these umbrellas. I just think of umbrellas, flowers, blooming, rain, spring, all of the things. And so I love to craft like that. Whatever I feel like the season looks like and feels like to me is how I craft. So now that I have all of my umbrellas cut out, I'm going to take my little gingham check yellow paper and my polka dot yellow paper and trace out the umbrellas. And then I'm going to take my wall tiles, those peel and stick wall adhesive tiles from Dollar Tree, and I'm going to trace out my handles. And then we are going to start writing the word bloom. Again, I just took my Jot glue stick and I glued down my paper to my cardboard. And since the wallpaper tile is self-adhesive, it was easy just to peel and stick. And that's how we got our handles made. After I do everything in pencil, I'm going to go back in with a black marker and tighten it up so you can see what it says. Going in with some hot glue, and I'm just going to attach my handle to the back of each umbrella. And then we're going to attach each umbrella to one of the crates. Just getting the measurement for all of the handles. Once I got the first handle glued on, I used it to measure all of the others. So it gives me good placement so that they're all fairly even. And now I'm just marking where I want the umbrella to sit so I know where to place my hot glue. Now I'm going to take one of the little tiny black beads and carefully cut it in half, and I'm going to attach the bead to the bottom of the umbrella. Looking back on it in hindsight, I feel like I should have painted my beads white or used a white bead. It would show up better, but I still love it. So I'm just going to press my pool noodle into the crate. I am not going to hot glue it. I don't really like to hot glue pool noodle into the crates when I do DIYs like this, because if I want to reuse it, I can. I can just pop that out and reuse it. I will hot glue the moss on, because if I don't, it's just going to be a mess. It has nowhere to sit or stick. It'll just keep falling out. So hot glue that, but the bottom of that pool noodle, I can pop that right out. My flowers I'm not gluing in. I can pop those out and reuse them as well. So I'm just using a really pretty purple wildflower from Dollar Tree, using some of the yellow forsythia from Dollar Tree as well. And I'm going to do all of the crates the same, exactly like that first crate. Now I'm going to take some of this pretty purple polka dot ribbon, and I'm going to cut it in half and make some little tiny bows to put on the handle of my umbrellas. This one's just about done. And at first I was going to just line them up and wood glue them all together in one straight line to make a very pretty tablescape piece, a centerpiece for your table. But I decided not to glue them together because I could also reuse my crates if I don't glue them together. So I'm always looking at making a pretty DIY for you guys, but also keeping in mind how I can redo it and reuse it if I choose to. Because, crafting can be a little pricey if you just use everything and pitch it. I like to reuse my craft pieces if I can. So that's why I do it. Here's the finished DIY. It is cute. I love it. Perfect for spring. Oh my goodness, you guys. I enjoyed making these so much. You guys, if you're enjoying this content, and I truly hope you are, please don't forget to give this video a big fat thumbs up. That lets YouTube know you are enjoying my content. They push me out a little bit more so others can see me as well. Thank you. Moving on to DIY number 3 and the last one of the video. And this isn't even a DIY, more so it is a hack. So do you guys have these beautiful book pieces at your Dollar Tree that are made from, I don't know if it's MDF or solid wood. It feels solid, but it is the perfect pieces to get to make your book stack. I mean, it's literally already done for you. So they come with, um, what were the words? Something about grace and God's blessings, amazing grace, and forever and always. And there's a couple of ways you can stack these. You can fan them out and make a stair step. You can do the traditional book stack where they sit horizontally. Or I'm going to do something a little different. I'm going to do a book stack where they stand vertically because it looks more like a book in this way. And I'm trying not to use a lot of glue on these because these are so pretty and I don't want to ruin them. So I'm just putting a little bit of hot glue in each corner to stack them on themselves. I love this lavender, pink, and gray. Just so pretty. And if you guys don't want to glue them together, you can just tie them together. And that way you can reuse them without messing them up with glue. You can just stack them and stand them together or stack them and lay them together. You really don't have to glue them if you don't want to. But this is perfect. It's really already done. So we're just going to embellish it and make it fit the decor in my house. And you guys know purple is my favorite color. So I had to use this polka dot purple ribbon again. And I used some little pink anemones, I think they're called. They look like little roses, open roses to me, but they're so pretty. So we're going to use those. And I'm going to put my bow and my flowers on top. And I'm going to have my ribbon or my dovetails cascade down each side of my book stack. And thank you to my sweet subscriber that said that she likes my purple nail polish. Again, purple's my favorite. So thank you. I don't even know the name of it. It's just a polish that I picked up at Dollar Tree. So I'm just hot gluing my flowers down. And then I use some lavender as well. And I'm just going to put my bow on top of that, just doing a little bit of fluffing and arranging. And then I will cut my flowers down and I will hot glue them to the top of that bow. And this one is easy peasy and it is done. Again, it's pretty much just a hack. We're just embellishing what Dollar Tree already put together for us. They came out with this and it was a really good idea. I hope they do something like this for fall and Christmas. So once I get everything all displayed and I'm done fluffing and fussing with it, this cute little book stack is ready to be displayed. As simple as it gets, you guys. No painting or anything. So here you see that I have mine standing vertically, but you could lay it down on its side. It still looks cute that way as well. And that is it, you guys. Those are the three pieces. Again, don't forget to comment. Let me know which one is your favorite. Here is the final reveal of everything that I've made for you today. Like, share, subscribe, do all the things that help my channel grow. I'm always grateful and happy to have you. Thank you for helping my channel grow and thank you for coming along on my journey with me. It has been a fun ride thus far and I know it's just going to get better. You guys, until I see you in my next one, be blessed, stay safe, and craft something beautiful today, you guys. Bye.